Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Mr. Thunt's class. How are you today? I'm great, thank you. Now, are you ready to start a new lesson with me? Let's go. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, today we are going to learn about Unit 9, Lesson 5. It's about the reading. All right, so before we start a new lesson, let's play the game with me. And what is the game? The game is called Let's Guess. So students, I am going to show you the 4 pictures, and then you will tell me the topic, the picture in the middle. Are you ready to go? Let's see. This is the first picture. What is it? Can you tell me? Of course, this is the yellow line here. And how about the second one? What is it? This is the information board. And how about the third one here? Wow, we have 3 people in the picture. And they are the, who can? Yeah, that's right. They are the passengers, right? And the last picture here is easy. So easy, right? So this is the signpost. And students, can you tell me the topic in the middle? The picture in the middle is, from the 4 pictures here, can you tell me the topic? We have yellow line, information board, the passengers, and the signpost. So the topic is about, can you tell me, what is it? Of course, this is the bus stop station, right? Bus stop station. So this is also the topic in our reading today. All right, so now students, please look at the pictures. This is the reading. And before we start the reading, I will ask you some questions. This is the first question for you. How many people are there in the reading? Who can tell me? How many people are there in the reading? Let's count. So now I think you know the answers, right? How many? There are 17 people in the reading, right? 17 people in the reading. The second question is, where are they? Where are the people? Where are they? Of course, they are at the bus station. They are at the bus station, right? And the next question is, how many buses can you see in the reading? How many buses? Easy, right? There are 4 buses. The bus number 14, 13, 12, and 11. So in total, there are 4 buses. The last question for you is, what time is it? Can you see the clock in the reading? And how about the time here? It's 2:30. It's 2:30. Or you can say 2:30. It's 2:30. Thank you. And now, Mr. Thuận, I will play the recording. You students will listen and follow the voice in the recording. Are you ready? Here we go.
Listening 102. Listen and read.
At the bus station. At the bus station, the buses pass by. We look at the people. They wave and say hi. I look at the bags. Some are big, some are small. I look at the people. Some are short, some are tall. They have red shirts, green shirts, yellow shirts, and blue. They have long hair, short hair, and curly hair too. We get on our bus. We go and sit down. And away goes the bus to take us uptown.
All right, so students, this is all about the first listening. Now, let's listen one more time. Here we go.
Listening 102. Listen and read.
At the bus station. At the bus station, the buses pass by. We look at the people. They wave and say hi. I look at the bags. Some are big, some are small. I look at the people. Some are short, some are tall. They have red shirts, green shirts, yellow shirts, and blue. They have long hair, short hair, and curly hair too. We get on our bus. We go and sit down. And away goes the bus to take us uptown.
All right, so now students, I would like you to repeat after me. Repeat after me, please. So, let's go. At the bus station, the buses pass by. We look at the people, they wave and say hi. I look at the bags. Some are big, some are small. I look at the people. Some are short, some are tall. They have red shirts, green shirts, yellow shirts, and blue. They have long hair, short hair, and curly hair too. We get on our bus. We go and sit down. And away goes the bus to take us uptown. Great, thank you. All right, so now students, let's play the game. So, as you can see on the screen, this is the reading, right? But now there are some missing words here. And what I would like you to do is filling the blank. Write the missing words for me. Are you ready? Let's go. So, please have a look at the bus station. The buses, that's right, the buses pass by. We look at the people, they wave and say hi. Good job. I look at the bags, summer. We need an adjective here. Some are big and some are small, right? I look at the people. Some are short and some are tall, right? Easy, so easy, right? They have, we have green shirts, yellow shirts, and blue. So one more color, right? This is the red shirts, right? Red shirts. They have hair. What kind of hair here? They have long hair, short hair, and easy, curly hair too. Our bus, so we need a verb here. So we get on our bus, we go and sit down, and away goes the bus to take us uptown. Excellent, student, thank you. And now let's move on the communicative activity. That means you students are going to ask and answer the questions for me. Here we go. So for each time, I need 2 students, one ask and one answer the question. Here we go. Where are the people? Of course, they are at the bus station. Very good. Next. The question is, what do they say when they meet all the passengers? What do they say? Do you remember? Of course, they wave and say hi when they meet all the passengers, right? Thank you. And how about this time? What is the question here? How are the passengers' bags? They are big and small. Thank you. And now the question is, How are the people? How are the people? Do you remember? Some are short and some are tall, right? Thank you. And this time, the question is, where does the bus take them to? Where does the bus take them to? Remember, at the end of the reading, the bus takes them to uptown. Great. And now, let's practice together. All right, so please have a look on the screen. This is the practice. Now, student, please circle the false word, the wrong word, and write the correct word for me. We have 4 sentences here. Number 1, they are at the train station. So, the false word is train, and the correct word is bus. This is an example. How about number 2 here? The people saying goodbye. Number 3, some bags are big, some are short. How about number 4? The shirts are red, green, orange, and blue. Now, Mr. Thuận, I will give you 1 minute. 1 minute, go. Okay, so time's up. Now, let's check. So number 2, class, the people say goodbye. So goodbye is the false word. So what is the correct word here? Of course, hi, right? The people say hi when they meet all the passengers. Thank you. Number 3, some bags are big, some are short. So here, the false word is short. And the correct word is small, right? Thank you. Great. And the last is the shirts are red, green, orange, and blue. So orange is the false word. And the correct word is yellow. Excellent. So this is the end of our lesson today. And before we end up the lesson, Mr. Thuận, I will give you the homework. Please take note. The first thing that you need to do is review the lesson number 5. Review the lesson number 5. Please read the reading again and learn about the new words. The second thing is finish the worksheet number 5 for me. So there are 2 things for you. For one thing, review the lesson. For another, finish the worksheet number 5. All right, so now, thanks for watching and listening. I'll see you next time.